Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk about whether or not your living trust needs to be filed anywhere. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about your own estate plan, if you need estate planning help, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you could do that by going to estatemeeting.com. Okay. This is a question I get asked quite often by clients. Typically, it's when we are signing all the documents. Sometimes it's at the beginning. Sometimes this is a number one priority for people. But the question is, after you create your living trust, revocable living trust, or irrevocable trust, I guess, where do you put it? Do you have to file it with the county? Do you have to file it with the court? Does it become a public record? Does it go anywhere? And it's a great question. And it's actually one of the reasons why some people decide to create a living trust. The reason for that is that it's not recorded anywhere. It is in fact recorded nowhere. It is a 100% private document. The only time it will become, it's not really a public document, but the only time it will become known to others is if the trust is sued for some reason or the viability of the trust is questioned. At that point, then somebody would have to see the trust because the trust itself is at issue. But that does not happen regularly. In fact, it happens rarely. And for the most part, then trusts are completely private documents. What financial institutions will know, for example, is that a trust exists. They will know who the trustee is, and that is about it. The trust document itself is private. The beneficiaries often have an obligation or an ability to see the trust because they in fact are the beneficiaries. They need to know what it says. The trustee obviously has access to the trust, but no outside individuals have access. And this can be helpful if you have family that is prying, right? If you have someone that you are trying to hide assets from or hide information from. I'll give you a perfect example. I'm creating a trust for someone right now who had a stalker, okay? Like a legit all the way stalker. And this person is purchasing a home and they do not want their name associated with the home at all. And so we are creating a trust where this person is not going to be the trustee. They're not going to be anything on paper. And there's some ways that you can do that to be completely anonymous. If you're curious, I'm happy to show them to you or tell you about them. But she's going to obviously keep control over the trust. She'll be in charge of the trust. But this person who has been stalking her is not going to be able to find them anymore, which is good. So, long answer to the short question, is a revocable trust public living trust? The answer is no. All right, that's it. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have a question or comment, let me know. I will answer it. If you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. And if you want to talk about your own estate plan or have questions that you want to talk about, one-to-one, you can set up a time to talk with me over the phone by going to estatemeeting.com. All right, that's it. I'm Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon.